What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have HLBZ, Helbiz. It was 10% down on Friday. We already have discussed that in my previous video, but overall, we understand that we're in this bullish range, and we have actually shifted here. Did we shift about around weekly ranges and all this stuff? No, we're far away from the weekly, but on the daily, we shifted bullish. Now, let's see if you're actually going to hold that bullish moves. Overall, love this whole area right here. It's a great area to look for upside moves. Even the inefficiency is there, so yeah, we might consider something like this. But for me, we will have to break above these highs right here. I'm talking about the highs of around 1.09. And again, this is for me. Obviously, this is not financial advice. And for this to move higher, for me, you will have to break above this high. And this high is right around, as I said, 1.09. And that's going to be definitely it for the video. Otherwise, you're just going to continue to go lower to maybe this. And if this doesn't hold, hallelujah. But again, not financial advice. Have a wonderful day. Bye.